My boyfriend got this ice cream. I think it's strawberry because there's a strawberry, but there's also a pig. So I don't know if the coating is bacon. I really don't want to find out. Is it open like this? No, I'll just cut it. I wonder what's in here. I hope it's not bacon. Cool. Alright, first bite. It's definitely not bacon. It's exactly like the strawberry shortcake ice cream bars, but I think it's better quality. Kind of like a icy and creamy texture. It's so easy to eat, nothing falls off. I don't think I will get this again though because it tastes almost identical to the strawberry shortcake one.